The internet you know is just the surface. Beneath lies the dark web, a place of secrecy, anonymity, and danger. 1990s. Tor project built for anonymous communication, originally funded by the US Navy. Dark web grew into markets for drugs, weapons, stolen data. Silk Road, 2011 to 2013, became infamous until shut down by the FBI. Still active, still anonymous, but also used by activists, journalists, and whistleblowers. Think of the internet as an iceberg. The surface is visible, but the bulk is hidden underwater. Governments versus privacy advocates, ongoing battle. The dark web is both a tool for freedom and a haven for crime.